Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to present you what I think is the best way how we can get data in Mexico and what I think is the best eSIM provider for Mexico. So the first one that I definitely recommend to check out is Maya Mobile. Maya Mobile provides a great data in Mexico, and with the Airalo that I'm going to talk to you about later. And how does it work is that just right here in a search, you're going to write Mexico. And then you would click here Mexico eSIM. And here you can have option on how much data and how many days you're actually going to be in Mexico. So let's say they're going to be for 15 days, and you can choose between 1 gigabyte, 3 gigabyte, 5 gigabyte, 10 gigabyte of data. So let's say I'm going to choose the 5 gigabyte of data right here, and I would click here activate now. Then you're going to see right here that you're going to get 10% discount from me that is going to apply to you as a bonus. You see the starting date, and how does it work is that you're going to get a QR code to your email. All you have to do is with your phone, you have to scan the QR code, and automatically it's going to activate the eSIM for your phone. I made a full guide down below in the description on how you can actually, activate the eSIM. And two things. The first thing is that with Maya Mobile, you're going to actually get a hotspot, so you can use even all the data as a hotspot. That's the first thing. And the second thing is that you're going to have options to have iOS or even Android data right here, that Android phones, and you have to check out when you would click help here if your phone is compatible. So eSIM compatible phones, and you would find all your phones right here and try to find your phone. And if you're going to find your phone here, then you know that your phone is compatible. This is the first way. The second way is using Airalo, and I'm going to even compare it right here for you. So with the Airalo, I'm going to write here Mexico. Okay. And here you can have option 1 gigabyte, 2 gigabyte, 3 gigabyte of data, or even 5 gigabyte. So let's hear 3 gigabyte of data, 30 days. They are using 3 networks. Here it's 30 days, 2160. Here it's 30 days. How much? 32.50. Sorry, $21. In 1980. So the pricing is really similar. The really important thing is the network here. So let's compare the networks. AT&T, Telcal, okay. Here it's AT&T, also Movistar. So even the networks are similar, and a really important thing is that both plans are data only. So these plans are not for calling or SMS. Of course, you can use Messenger. Of course, you can watch YouTube videos and all of that. But that's pretty much it about it. So I definitely recommend check out Airalo and Maya Mobile. For both, you can have discounts down below in the description. And have a great day and goodbye.